Here you go, Chelsey. Hi guys, Tiana here, and today I got my first ever American Girl doll.
And you brought your first American Girl doll to McDonald's, Tiana? Because we're on our way down to London, guys, because Tiana got something really exciting to do tomorrow in London.
And remember when we had the pumpkin at McDonald's as well? This is like that, but only we got...
Yes, when we travel, Tiana still brings toys and has fun. No matter where she goes, they just follow her. And that was sent to you by Tiana Hearts, your YouTube friend.
So thank you Tiana Hearts for sending me them. And when we did the big box that's been sent to me by Tiana Hearts, these was in it. Yes, these were the surprises from Tiana Hearts. So Mummy's going to help you out today to open them in McDonald's. And we're going to get some food as well. Yes, for ages 8 plus as well. 8 plus. 8 plus. Just in time for you then, aren't they? So Mummy, you going to help Tiana then open these up?
Which one are you doing first?
I might do this one.
That is the stand, I believe. That is the outfit. So I'll help you out with the outfit. Whoa, glittery this is, Tiana. Whoa, whoa, shoot. Look how glittery that is. Look, Tiana. That's very nice.
Oh, look at the leggings.
Tiana Hearts has got a YouTube channel called Tiana Hearts.
Yeah, so go check Tiana Hearts' channel out called Tiana Hearts.
Look at the leggings.
So Tiana, you've still got to name your doll. So we'll wait till you've got your American doll out and you can decide on the name for it, yeah? Yes. Okay, that's really pretty.
Oh look,
there's Mum, you'd love that one, wouldn't you, Mum? You'd wear that on a night out, wouldn't you?
And look.
Bracelet, shoes.
The shoes will fit Mummy.
Oh wow, they're nice.
Glittery. They're like, they're nowhere near.
Maybe just on your big toe.
Maybe on your big toe, Tiana, yeah, Mum's right.
Big. Maybe on about...
That's a nice dress to look, Tiana, there.
Wow.
Hey, I heard it jingling.
So what have you got? Oh, careful.
Yep.
Turn it round to the front, okay. So what have you got in the drawers?
Inside.
Boo.
So what have you got?
Oh, hair clips.
Okay, what about in the drawers?
Drawers.
Oh, you got like a flannel towel type thing there?
You can also put it on there as well.
Okay, let Mummy put that on there for you. Nail varnish, some more hair clips.
Yes, but these are more smaller hair clips though. There's like purple, blue, pink and see-through. Then the 2 nail varnishes.
Oh, careful. Okay.
They're really small, but it is for a doll.
So there's the nail varnish.
The drawer?
Gonna put those in?
Yep. So you're leaving the best till last then, the doll?
Yes.
Got some more hair clips with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah!
More hair
Stand
clips.
up like that, look.
Yeah.
I think they're for the doll. But
That's a little test by Mummy. So you're gonna get to the doll then, Tiana?
oh, there's just one more drawer.
Oh, what's in the bottom of there?
Ooh, got a comb sort of a thing.
Yes.
Then what these? These are like Lumens a little bit. I think they're like bubbles.
Yeah, I think they're bubbles, aren't they?
Then I'm not sure what this is.
Let's have a look.
And then this is, Mum's got these hair clips. Look.
Oh, Tiana, these are to go on your fingernails.
Ah.
Like stickers.
Oh, stickers.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, we've got these hair
clips.
don't we, Mum?
Yeah, but not that small.
Nah, they're not that. They're basically a bit bigger though. Well,
Okay, time to get the American Girl doll out then. She's all lonely over there on her own.
Ooh, bubbles.
More bubbles.
I've got these bubbles as well then. But in different colour. That's a really cool feature.
That is really nice.
Yeah, and her outfit.
Okay, alright then, Tiana. I'm gonna give you some help then with the doll.
Uh-huh. And then we need to do the stand as well for the doll.
Okay.
Okay, Tiana, there's the doll.
Yes, it's the best thing to last.
There you go. What do you think?
She's so pretty.
So there she is, guys. So let's pop that out.
But what's this bit as well?
There you go.
Ooh. Look.
empty.
Gonna take it out the plastic first. Okay, so the doll's right here, but there's like a net on her hair, so we need to take it off.
Okay.
Her hair looks so pretty.
Tiana, have you thought of any names? You did say some names to me earlier on. Have you chose which one it's going to be? Oh,
wow.
Look at the hairs. Lovely.
Wow. Right.
Nice and
name. A name.
wow.
Maybe Chelsey?
Chelsey. So that's the name.
Yes.
Nice.
Is that...
Hair.
Oh, it's cool, isn't it? Gorgeous.
You also got this activity pack, which we can have a look at when we get to the hotel in London.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A few games. Okay.
Yeah.
So Tiana, why don't we get a first McDonald's for Chelsea? Hey?
Would you like some nuggets?
Some nuggets or fries, Chelsea?
Yes, please. And also the cool thing about these, watch the idea. When you do it, when you put it like that, they actually move.
So let's get a close up for everybody so they can see a close up. Okay, hold her there then so she stands up. There we go.
Fashion show. Is that a fashion
Okay.
show?
Hey,
Yeah.
there you are.
So my mom's gonna help me change the outfit onto the doll, and this outfit is like really glittery, and so I think it's going to be like she's at a party.
Ooh.
And then she can have McDonald's, yeah?
Yeah, but don't get your clothes ruined, Chelsea. Okay, so you need to tuck the Velcro.
Okay.
The dress is standing up.
Well, it's actually like a top, a t-shirt.
Okay.
It looks like a...
Where's the shoe then? The other shoe. You got the other shoe? And this, Tiana, you mentioned that to me before.
Yeah, that's
that a
like
headband?
bracelet.
It's big. It's not a bracelet. It's too big, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose. It might be a headband. for the
I think it's a
doll.
headband.
So I'm not sure.
It's been a long time.
What, since you've had a little play with a doll? I think we need to order Mum one of those, Tiana. Leggings. The like ones that you've got.
Yeah, the ones with the diamonds on the side.
Yeah, they look
This
like
one
those.
has diamonds on the side as well.
Yeah, but yours are all the way up, aren't they?
Yeah, and this one's got.
Mum's fast!
Mom, I think
I know,
the
but
other one
it's easy to do it this way, look.
Okay. I normally do it the other way.
I know, it's like dealing with a baby. A real baby.
Yeah.
Not a doll.
You wouldn't be doing it as rough as that though, would you?
No.
So Chelsea, it's time to get some food.
So there's Chelsea in a new outfit. Now it's time to get her first McDonald's.
Maybe we can put in the high chair?
High chair. Chelsea's high chair's ready.
Wait, let's put
Give
it
her a
in
test,
now.
Tiana.
We have to put her belt on now. Where's
Oh,
the other
boy.
bit? Where's the other side?
She looks safe in there, Tiana. So what are you having for your McDonald's?
And look at Happy Meal. And look, trolls. I have got, which ones do I have? I've got 2, but they're not on there.
So that's the toy that's going to come in the Happy Meal. You've already got one there. Are they pencil toppers?
Yeah, I got that one there with the pink bow, and then I got another one, but I forgot which one it was. I don't know if it's on there or not. I think it's that one.
Oh yeah.
I'm not so sure.
Chelsea's paying for the McDonald's.
Yep.
She's ready. She's ready to pay for it. Woo!
Yep.
Yay! So there we are. Nice.
Yeah.
You really want to go because you want to.
Here you go, Chelsea. Okay, so let's see what toys I've got. And also the actual meal.
What did you order? What was it?
Nugget.
Chicken nuggets. So another pencil topper. Which one have you got this time? You definitely haven't got that one.
No. They're always hard to get out, so I might need
Well, last time we came down into, was driving to London, we went to McDonald's then, and I'm sure you had like a green coloured one and a yellow one.
Mum's to open it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now I've got a strawberry milkshake. So does Chelsey.
Chelsea, are you enjoying that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So there's Tiana's straw.
Yeah.
So these are pencil toppers.
Yes.
Okay, so that is definitely a new one, Tiana.
I think so, yeah.
Cool. It's really cute, this, isn't it? Hey.
Yeah.
So is that good?
Yeah.
Very nice.
So you got? Oh.
Blood.
So I've got my double cheeseburger. Bang. Ugh.
Gross.
I've got to eat it quick, yeah, because Chelsea will nick it off me and she'll eat it.
Chelsea's really cute and pretentious.
So do you like the American Girl doll then?
Yeah, I love it.
So when we got it from Tiana Rock, when I got the surprise package, we never knew much about American Girl dolls, did we? No. When we seen it, so.
But I have heard of them.
We've heard, but we've never seen them properly or, knew much about them. So I'm really surprised, they're really all cool, aren't they?
Yeah, and so pretty as well.
So yeah, so we've finished off this McDonald's.
So yeah, that's all for today. How you doing today's video? I love you all. See you soon. Bye.
This is like, when you like floppy pizza, this is like a floppy burger.
I'll eat it with my sand chips. Hey, I need tomato sauce on them, so then it will be.
Go down. So have 2 chips there at the side of your mouth, then dip them into the sauce.
How?
Okay, see if you can do it. One at each side. Then now dip them in the sauce.
Got 2.
Yeah. No, but you're touching the sauce. So move your hands. Now go. Drop. In. No sauce. Another one. Got to go lower. More.
The other side.
More. No. You still that miss.
That's wonky. There.
Bit more. Lower. Deeper. Winner. Chelsea, say bye. Still loving the milkshake.
That's been ages.
See you guys.
Bye.